Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly install the propellers on your newly acquired DJI Mavic Air 2. Let's get to it. Alright, so currently I'm making this video primarily because I struggled a little bit when I just got it. I was like, okay, I'm getting the propellers wrong. I was getting all these warnings on the app. And when I tried to take off, it gave me warnings it wouldn't go. I'm gonna go over that so you guys can actually see it. But for the basics, I'm gonna teach you how to actually put the propellers appropriately. So let me go ahead and take these off because there's something I need to show you. See, on the motors, they're color coded. I'm gonna show you right now. If you guys look at the motors, you're gonna see that some have a little silver lining and the other motors are just straight up black. There's no silver lining. Basically means that these propellers, which I'm gonna bring you in closer so you guys can see, have a certain orientation. You're gonna see some arrows pointing counterclockwise and then clockwise. The basic formula is, and I will show you what the arrows are, the ones that are clockwise go on the silver lining ones, and the counterclockwise ones will actually go on the ones with a black surface. So I'm gonna show you guys where you actually find the arrows. Let me bring you in closer. Okay, so here are the blades. If you guys look closely, you see that arrow that goes counterclockwise? Let me see if I can get one that's actually clockwise. Here's the one that goes clockwise. Focus, there it is. See, these are the ones that go clockwise. These go on the ones with the silver lining, like I mentioned earlier. Go on those, and that one. And the counterclockwise goes on the black ones. Now, I'm gonna talk to you about what happens if you put it wrong. Okay, so right now I got the drone ready and I'm gonna try to take off. Thankfully, before you even take off, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm seeing on the screen right now. When I try to take off, this warning comes up. It gives you the warning, hey, unfold, check your propellers, make sure they have the right orientation, and you tap on check complete. Once you do that, you're ready to take off.
Take off.
And that's it. However, this is what happens. I'm gonna purposely put the wrong propeller on this one. This one is the clockwise and this one is the counterclockwise. Let me show you guys what happens. Put in the wrong orientation propeller in. I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna try to take off again, like so. See? Doesn't go anywhere. You try. It doesn't go. And although the screen doesn't tell you exactly which propeller is actually acting up, look at how it behaves. This is the one that's not working, right? It's wrong. Look how it's held back. It doesn't want to. It's being held back on this one. So that's a good point. If you actually put the wrong propeller somewhere, you're gonna notice that it starts to lag down. It doesn't want to take off, and sometimes you might even get a warning. This time I didn't get quite a warning, but it usually does. Anyway, let me go ahead and turn this off. Well guys, that will conclude this video. I hope that this video will help you, especially for you guys out there who just got this drone, because chances are, if you're watching this video, you most likely have gotten yourself this drone brand new. And right now for the thumbnail, I feel silly doing this. I know, I look stupid, right? This is for the thumbnail. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Later.